Machiavellian or progressive liberals have long attempted to integrate the other, which is today represented most prominently by Islam. Today, working ever harder to integrate those who resist integration becomes an imperative, even our foremost responsibility as citizens of the world. In the context of a drive to universal integration or inclusivity, we even find nominal Muslims selected as mayors of strongholds of globalist ideology, such as London and New York. The regime selects such Muslim masks in the attempt to tame elements of Islam that resist integration in the progressives' open society, also known as technocracy. Integration through a policy of appeasement goes beyond the vile or cowardly practice of ancient empires such as Rome and China to keep barbarians at bay with bribes. In a modern or Machiavellian context, barbarism is invited at the heart of civil order to serve as its essential fuel. Thus, today we have a systematic attempt to channel violence into the consolidation of a chaos-managing machine, a regime that feeds on violence or barbarism by converting it into a mechanistic structure of domination of humanity. The machine does not need our humanity. It does not need decent human beings. Indeed, it calls for the systematic rape of our humanity. What the regime needs and supports is brutes that it can use as pretext for establishing a new world dominated by a mechanistic logic of control. The human element must be demolished in the interests of the mechanical transhuman structure, even as the structure finally destroys itself by replacing humanity with destruction as such. To return to the case of Muslim mayors of progressive cities, we are here dealing with puppets of the regime, pawns that the machine uses to appease Muslims, prone to believe that Islamic violence is opposed to the globalist regime. In the person of Muslim pawns of the regime, Islam can feel at home in and as technocracy. Muslims can see that technocracy represents the very soul of Islam, a soul that finds in traditional Islam a fitting adornment or supreme patron. Allah